Hello and welcome to the video. Today we are talking about the Rolex Rootbeer.
It's bold, it's luxurious, and it's unlike anything else in the Rolex lineup. The Rootbeer nickname dates back to the 1960s when Rolex released a brown and gold GMT Master that looked, quite literally, like a glass of root beer with a frothy golden head. But what we have today isn't just a nod to vintage, it's a modern masterpiece. This is the GMT Master II.
Reference number 126711CHNR. Now, it's the same size as every other GMT. What makes this special is obviously the rose gold element. There's not so many Rolex sports models that have a dash of rose gold in them, and this is perhaps the sportiest model that has rose gold in it. The rose gold combination with the brown and black ceramic bezel goes quite nicely, especially with certain types of skin tones. The rose gold really looks nice.
The original Rootbeer was famously worn by Clint Eastwood, earning the nickname the Clint. The new version pays homage to that history, but in a sleeker, more contemporary package. And Rolex doesn't cut corners. The oyster bracelet, solid links, the clasp, precision, everything feels engineered to last a lifetime.
The Rootbeer is a classic model that Rolex has had for many, many years, something they originally brought out many years ago. So the fact that they rebought this out more recently, it was a very popular watch. Prices have dropped recently, like all models for the most part. So you can get these for quite a good deal now. I think they're trading around retail. If you were to sell it, you'd probably get a little bit less than retail. And if you were to buy it, you'd be paying around retail / maybe just a little bit over, depending on the year. But I think this is a beautiful watch. A lot of people love it. Very popular, very nice. And obviously there is a full rose gold model that at one point was selling for like £50,000 for crazy amounts. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of the Rootbeer. Do you like it? Is it your favourite bimetal rose gold? Is it your favourite bimetal in general, or favourite sports model bimetal? Let me know what you think, and like and subscribe for more.